Welcome to this LogMeOnce tutorial. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the LogMeOnce anti-theft features, which are pretty cool. What I'm going to show you is how to delete all your LogMeOnce data if you'd like, if you know, say, your device is lost or stolen, how to remotely lock your device should you want to force a password to keep it protected. I'm going to also tell you how to get your phone to ring at a high volume if you need to find it easily. I can also show you how to remotely log out from your device and then remotely locate your device and show you a few more features that we have in the anti-theft section of LogMeOnce. So follow along. So here we are in LogMeOnce. This is your dashboard, which is basically your home base. And if you click on anti-theft, and if you don't see it on your dashboard, you can find it by going to your smart menu. And in your smart menu, you'll find it underneath of identity protection. Here it is. So when you go to anti-theft, so the device manager is going to show you all of the devices you have that have logged into your account at some point. Now, if you've had LogMeOnce for a certain amount of time, it may be that you have an old phone or an old iPad that you no longer have that might show up in your account. Like in this instance, there's 3 years ago, right? Now, you can click on the filter icon to see this filter, which is going to show you how to sort through your devices to see which ones are showing up on your account. You can also click on the information icon, and that's going to bring up this window, which will show you how you can navigate and see where was that device located. I can make sure that this is this is my device, it's not somebody else's device. I can also see details about what that device is. So I'm assuming this would be my device. If it's not your device, you might want to log out from it. You can also see which installed apps are on that device. And you can then send a command to that device. So I can make that device ring if I would like it to. I can send a message to that device and that little message will pop up on the screen. I can put the lock screen on the device so someone can be locked and not be able to log in. I can have a lock screen with a password so that person could use my password to get into a lock screen if I don't happen to have the device in my hand. And I can also hit kill pill, and what that does is going to wipe all the data on that device. So if you happen to know that your device has been lost or stolen, you can log into your account from another device, find the device, kill it, wipe all of your data from it, and then you can send a message to it, lock it, whatever you would like. But that keeps all of your information secure. Now, another thing you'll see here is the remote checkup, which is basically a map. So the map is going to show you where all of the devices that have logged into your account are located. And the green device, or the green icons you see, is the particular one that is logged in now. And you can roll over it and click on the log out button, and that's going to log you out of that device remotely. So if I'm located over here and I see there's a device that's logged in here, maybe I left my laptop in a hotel room and I want to log out before someone else accesses the laptop. Maybe I left my phone. Maybe someone stole my device. I can see here, if I'm located over here on the East Coast, that if this is lighting up green on the West Coast, that may be a device that I want to log out of. So I can click on the log out button there. And so that's how you navigate and use the anti-theft feature. And this here is showing me there are multiple devices, and I can take action here. I can see here the last time that this device was online was a year ago. If I was logged in on that device, I can log out here, but I can also ring that device from here right now if I would like, or I can send a kill pill message, which means it will wipe that device completely. So another way to be able to navigate and make sure all of your devices are accurate and all of your information is safe. Thank you for watching.